Hey creators, ever seen a viral comment and thought this could be a whole trend? Today I'm going to show you how to turn a viral TikTok comment into your own trending video format. So here's how to do it. First, you need to find a viral comment. Scroll through a popular videos and look for a funny, relatable or savage replies with tons of likes. Then here screenshot or copy the comment and make it a center of your video as text on screen, in the caption, or even as a reaction. Then, add context or act it out. Use a scene, a skit, or face reacting to the comment. This gives it a story or twist. Then here, use a popular sounds to make it more engaging. Bonus if you find a sound that match the vibe of the comment. Then here, encourage others to do the same. Same something like your POV, and then don't forget to use hashtags like hashtag TikTok comments, your POV, or your own custom trend tag to help it spread. And that's how you flip a viral TikTok comment into a full blown trend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.